TV, cream of cards, bringing history back to life. Winston Churchill at your service in your hour of need. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. I hear an evil force is threatening the YouTube community. Certain Goliath organisations are conspiring to crush and stifle the creativity of YouTubers. I say to those tyrannous corporations, we shall fight you on the beaches, we shall fight you in the streets, we shall fight you on the internet, because we have the will of mankind behind us, and you shall never be victorious against us. Being on the front line in the Second World War was a risky business, naturally, but things weren't too safe at home either. We've continued back in the UK. We've continued air raids, doodle bugs, and all sorts. This set of cards help to explain things that could be done to protect your homes from the bombing. I'll just run them through them quickly. Everything from choosing your refuge room, window protection against blast, digging a bomb shelter into your back garden, ventilated gas-proof shelter, putting out an incendiary bomb, putting out fires, dealing with fires, gas mask protection in case of gas attacks, how to put gas masks on and all sorts, testing for gas contamination. Generally these cards aren't too bad. There's a few that are a bit worn torn, excuse the pun. Anti-aircraft sound locator, balloon barrage for defence of London. Right, okay, these cards are currently on eBay. See you there, bye. Okay, if you enjoyed this video clip and you found it quite handy, please click on the appropriate red star below. And also, if you'd like to see more wonderful video clips like this, please click on that bright orange subscribe icon above. Thank you for viewing. Bye.